Hi everyone, I'm August. Thank you for being here. This week I did a transfer bloom and I've been trying for 2 to 3 weeks to get a transfer bloom that I liked. I would do it for a day, maybe try to do 3 or 4 of them, then not do it for a couple days, come back to it. So I finally got one that I like. I got 2 actually. So the one I'm going to show you is this guy. And with the transfer blooms, you get so many different variations. So sometimes you'll get something like this where you have a watercolor effect and then these little tiny cells in the middle there. Sometimes you'll get where it's more cell activator in the middle and the baby cells are popping up and there's just a little bit of color around the outside. So what I learned with this, one, the cell activator seems to make a difference. So I was originally using Amsterdam titanium white and I was using the same ratios as I was before. Then I talked to SHELEE and she had said, no, thicken up that cell activator. I tried that, it still wasn't working. So I got the Tri-Art high viscosity, which is like the 2 paint consistency. The Tri-Art high viscosity, mixed that up and it worked really well. And I think it's just stretchier than the Amsterdam I was using. So that might be, if you're trying this and you're not getting the results you're looking for, that might be the reason. When I was using the Amsterdam, I got no baby cells. It just kind of looked chalky in the middle. What else? The color, so layering this. So it seems like it looks really nice if you do like a transparent, opaque, or semi-opaque on the bottom. Do a pigment in there, like a really sparkly pigment, and then a darker transparent color on top. And if you could get that to contrast with your cell activator, it looks even better. So if you had like a blue as your top transparent color and then you put like a pink cell activator over that, that would look pretty cool. Let me show you how we're doing this. So I had got this little guy, because keep in mind we're going to be transferring him. And I put white house paint pillow on it, just as if I'm gonna blow out a bloom. Then I laid out my 3 colors that I used, put cell activator on it. Now use like 3 to 4 times the cell activator you would use for a bloom. It's tricky because if it's too much, then nothing happens and it's just a blob of cell activator sinking in. But if you get that 3 to 4 amount on there, it should come out pretty nicely. So you got your cell activator on there. Now, when you do your initial bloom, any bloom, you're supposed to get your face really close, start blowing into your cell activator and pull your head back as you're pushing more air out. And that spreads your cell activator around so then you can start blowing it out. With these, you basically just want to do that and maybe blow around the edges a little bit. I did blow around the edges in this one, and I think that's what might bring out the watercolor effect. So now that we've got that, I got my scooper out, and I did put some pillow on my scooper so that all the colors would slide back down. Came in with my scooper, I scooped it up off of this, got this big guy, and then just laid it down like a transfer, spun it out. Now, when I originally put this down, none of these cells were in the middle. That came as I was spinning it. It's kind of like the air from spinning it is forcing those cells up. Yeah, so this is a painting. I hope what I'm learning is helping you guys. As always, Creations with Tanya is after me, and then Grandma Kathy's Art Venture is following her. Both of their channels and videos are in the description below. If you guys are giving this a try, have any tips, put them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy the video and thank you for being here.